Athens is the capital and largest city of Greece, with a history spanning over 3,400 years. It was named after the goddess Athena and has been inhabited since the Neolithic era. Athens is renowned for its ancient landmarks, such as the Acropolis and the Parthenon, which are significant tourist attractions. The city's architecture is a blend of ancient and modern styles. In addition to the ancient landmarks, there are many neoclassical buildings from the 19th century, as well as modern structures. The National Library of Greece, the Athens Concert Hall, and the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center are some examples of modern architecture in Athens. As of 2021, Athens has a population of approximately 3.75 million people. The city is a cultural melting pot, with people from various ethnic and national backgrounds. The largest ethnic group is Greeks, but there are also Albanians, Bulgarians, and Romanians. Athens has a Mediterranean climate, with hot and dry summers and mild winters. The temperature throughout the year ranges from 1050 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, with the hottest months being July and August. Greek cuisine is renowned for its healthy and flavorful dishes. Athens has many traditional taverns and restaurants where visitors can try local dishes, such as moussaka, a layered dish with eggplant, meat, and bechamel sauce, souvlaki, grilled meat on a skewer, and spanakopita peter, spinach pie. Athens is the economic hub of Greece and a significant center for shipping, finance, and tourism. The city's economy has been growing steadily, with a focus on attracting foreign investment and promoting innovation. The Athens Stock Exchange is the largest stock exchange in Greece, and the port of Piraeus, located near Athens, is one of the busiest ports in the Mediterranean.